Hi, my name is Sonia Sanyal and I am a PGP1 student at IIM Nagpur. I have completed my bachelor's in engineering and post that I have joined IIM Nagpur as a fresher to pursue my MBA. So starting off with my interview preparation strategy, I decided on making a repository of all the anticipated questions and solidifying my fundamentals. Next, I made sure that I had a rough answer structure for all the anticipated questions that I had mentioned in the repository. This made sure that I had some key facts that I wanted to highlight and emphasize in the interview. After that, I made sure that I attend some mock interviews with 2 or 3 different people in order to get different perspectives, and I carefully analyzed their feedbacks. I also made sure that whatever I prepared sounds genuine and not much verbose. My basic structure for any answer, I was sure to include some personal examples so as to include a genuine touch. I also focused on having a clear clarity on all the roles and responsibilities that I had handled during my past internships and as to what value do I bring to the organization that I interned for. Finally, I would just like to add that on the final day, it's not just about how much have you prepared or how qualified you are. Equally important is your confidence and how genuine you sound and what is the clarity of thought that you have while answering the questions of the interview. With this, I would just like to say all the best for your upcoming journey and MBA.